Once again, welcome to the Daily Message, again being videoed in the third story of Mark's house in his man cave. Today, I want to offer for our reflection a couple of verses from the letter to the Philippians, because they form the basis for Paul's acceptance of Jesus' belief in radical equality. It goes like this. It's from the second chapter. Let the same mind be in you that was in Christ Jesus, who, though he was in the form of God, did not regard equality with God something to be grasped. Rather, he emptied himself, taking the form of a slave, coming in human likeness, and found human in appearance, he humbled himself, becoming obedient to death, even death on a cross. This is the process that in Greek goes by the term kenosis, or self-emptying. So what Paul is saying there is that Christ, the Son of God, the divine Son of God, emptied himself, took on the form of our common humanity, and in so doing became equal with us. And so Paul is saying, just as Christ became our equal in becoming a human being, so all men and women are equal. If Christ himself considers himself to be the equal of each one of us, how can we dare to say that any one human being is better or superior to any other? We need to follow the example of Christ, who humbled himself, who emptied himself. That's what kenosis is, who emptied himself in order to become our equal. Thank you so much for watching today, and have a wonderful day.